Good morning, students. Today we will see some more topic related to polynomials. So in this chapter, so far we have learned how to do a division of a polynomial, and we have established relationship between zeros and coefficients. Next we have formed a quadratic polynomial when zeros are given. And the fourth one is from the graph we obtain number of zeros. We obtain number of zeros. So in today's class, so these are the four topics so far we have learned. In today's class, we will be learning a new topic, that is forming a cubic polynomial when zeros are given. So forming a cubic polynomial when zeros are given. When zeros are given. Okay. Listen carefully, students. Here, forming a cubic polynomial when zeros are given, we will use the formula x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma. So here if you see the first one, we will call it as sum of the zeros. Here sum of the zeros taken 2 at a time, here it is product of the zeros. So this is the equation which we have remembered for framing a cubic polynomial. Previously we have learned how to frame a quadratic polynomial. Now we have learned how to frame a cubic polynomial. Let us do one question. Form a cubic polynomial whose zeros are minus 1 by 2, 1, 1 by 2. These are the zeros. So answer will let us substitute the formula x cube minus alpha plus beta. This is alpha beta gamma. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into x square plus alpha into beta. 1 by 2 into 1 will be minus 1 by 2 plus beta gamma 1 into 1 by 2 1 by 2 plus gamma alpha 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 will be minus 1 by 4 into x minus product of these three zeros, that is minus 1 by 2 into 1 into plus 1 by 2. So x cube minus, so minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 gets cancelled, it will be minus x square, 1 into x square is x square. Here also minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 gets cancelled. So plus into minus 1 by 4 x minus into minus plus 1 by 4. So here 4 is the LCM. So the quadratic polynomial will become 4x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 4. Next, let us see one question. So the overall chapter will cover with some questions here. Form, not a form. find alpha square plus beta square if polynomial is x square minus 3x plus 5. X square minus 3x plus 5. So we are asking alpha square plus beta square. How to do this here? Given polynomial x square minus 3x plus 5. So questions may be various. So I am going to do one by one here. First question I am taking it as alpha square plus beta square. If it is alpha square plus beta square, we can write it as, see, firstly we will find out what is alpha plus beta answer, which is minus, a value is 1 here, b value is minus 3 and c value is 5. So alpha plus beta, that is sum of the zeros. So sum of the zeros can be written as alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So that is minus of minus 3, which is plus 3. So product of the zeros, c by a, which is 5 by 1, which is 5. First, alpha square plus beta square. So to get the value of alpha square plus beta square, it can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Just in case of a and b, we are substituting alpha and beta. Now if I substitute the value here, alpha plus beta is 3. So 3 square minus 2 into 5, 9 minus 10, which is minus 1. Next, let us take another question. If it is alpha cube plus beta cube, so a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. So if I substitute the value here, alpha plus beta, which is 3 square, 3 cube minus 3 into alpha into beta 5, alpha plus beta value is 3, which is equal to 3 cube is 27 minus 3 5 15 is 45. So 20 is 45 minus 27, 8 minus 18, which is the answer. So let us do another question. If the question is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, third question. If the question is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, it can be LCM is alpha beta, here beta plus alpha. So sum of the zeros value is already 3 by 5. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is 3 by 5. Next, let us see fourth question. Alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. If the question is like this, alpha power 4 plus beta power 4, this can be written as alpha square whole square plus beta square whole square. But because power 4 is there, we can write it as square to the square, square to the square. So it is now looking like a square plus b square. A square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So again, this a square plus b square is there. This can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole square. So if you substitute the values here, alpha plus beta, which is 3 square minus 2 into 5 minus 2 into alpha beta, which is 5 square. So the answer is equal to 3 square is 9, 9 minus 10 minus 1 minus 5 square 25 to the 50. The answer is minus 51. Next question we will see on the same type. if it is alpha cube minus beta cube. So this can be written as alpha cube minus beta cube. It will not come in this part. So if it is asking like this, alpha minus beta. So alpha minus beta, if he is asking question. So fifth type, alpha minus beta, it can be written as alpha plus beta whole square. Okay, alpha minus beta whole square if he is asking. It can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. So if a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So alpha plus beta, which is 3 square minus 4 into 5. So 9 minus 20, which is minus 11. So same question, sixth time, if it is alpha minus beta, if he is asking alpha minus beta instead of alpha minus beta whole square, this can be written as, if I transpose by the other side, it will become root of alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. So we have to remember this formula. Then we can substitute the values easily. So these are the various types. We can have another question. Like 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta. So here alone we can take LCM, that is alpha beta. Here beta plus alpha minus alpha beta. So this value is known, and here also this value is known. Value is known. So here it is 3 by 5 minus 5. So 5 is the LCM. So here it is 3 minus 5 is 25, which is minus 22 by 5. Now let us see another type of question. Second question. Let us see the next question. Find the value of the k if one zero of the polynomial is x square minus kx plus 9 is negative of another. Negative of another. So let the zero of the polynomial is, I am assuming it as alpha, the other zero will be minus alpha. Why will it be minus alpha? Because here if I am assuming one zero is alpha, the second will be negative. Negative in the sense, same number will be there, but it is replaced with a minus symbol. So given polynomial is x square minus ax plus 9, where a value is 1, b value is minus k, and c value is 9. So alpha plus beta, sum of the zeros, we can use minus b by a. Why I am using sum of the zeros? Because b value I can put. If I am using product of the zeros, formula will be c by a, where 9 by 1 we are going to get. But we have to get here k value. So for that reason, sum of the zeros we have to use. So alpha is alpha only, beta will be minus alpha is equal to minus of minus k will be k by 1. So alpha minus alpha 0, 0 is equal to k, means k value is 0. The same question, this can be asked in another way, that find the value of k if one zero of the polynomial x square minus kx plus 9 is equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Opposite in direction. So this same answer. Why? Because the two values are equal in magnitude. Magnitude in the sense number. So two numbers will be there, but they are having one is plus means the other one will be minus. So equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. The same question. Let us see another question. Find the value of k. Find the value of k if one zero of the polynomial